In the heart of Mahiu, our Scalestech team is preparing the grounds for the installation of a high-quality digital weighbridge manufactured by ACIT in Turkey. With durability and long-term performance always at the forefront of Scalestech's mission, our team is breaking grounds and excavating beams, carefully shaping the area for the hardcore hand packing. Our team on the ground is always led by skilled engineers and technicians who ensure that every project is executed with precision and professionalism. From groundbreaking to final calibration, this team is ready to bring unmatched expertise to every stage of the Weighbridge installation process.
If you want a good weighbridge, you must get your foundation done right. Now, here, Scales Technology Solutions Limited is preparing the foundation for weighbridge 18 by 3 meters long, and it's gonna be above ground weighbridge. And what we are doing is to make sure that we are putting in place the proper steel reinforcements and formwork. We've already laid down the foundation stones, and we have already done proper compacting to ensure that this weighbridge will offer the highest accuracy and very reliable results. So don't just think that the weighbridge is all about the steel structure that the vehicle is going to run on, but you must ensure that before you put on the decks, the foundation is properly done. In a few weeks to come, we shall be showing you the progress of the project, whereby we'll be doing another stage of the project to ensure that our client gets the very best. And this is a Turkish weighbridge manufactured by ACIT. Scales Technology is the East Africa distributor that supplies and services the weighbridge.
On the next stage, we received the weighbridge decks along with components such as digital load cells and cameras from ACIT. We were now ready for the next step, the installation of the fully automated weighbridge. With the foundation complete and the delivery of the weighbridge decks done, our team moved to the critical phase of installation. The weighbridge decks were first meticulously aligned and secured, ensuring a stable and robust structure to support daily operations. Following the deck's installation, the focus shifted to the integration of advanced digital load cells. These ACIT load cells, fully stainless and waterproof with a hermetic seal, feature a tamper-proof microprocessor chip for self-diagnostics. With the installation complete, the next step was calibration and testing to ensure that the weighbridge met the highest standards of accuracy and functionality. Our team meticulously conducted a series of tests using certified calibration weights to fine-tune the system. These rigorous procedures guaranteed that every measurement delivered by the weighbridge would be precise and reliable. The final step was now integrating the weighbridge with advanced weighing softwares. This software seamlessly connects with the digital load cells, providing real-time data capture. Designed to enhance operational efficiency, the system ensures accurate record keeping, customizable reports, and easy integration into the existing client's workflow. Additionally, the system is equipped with a receipt printing features, enabling drivers to receive instant, detailed weight records, streamlining the weighing process and enhancing convenience. At Scalestech Solutions, we are committed to delivering precision, reliability, and an unmatched expertise in every project we undertake. From groundbreaking to the final calibration, we ensure that your Weighbridge meets the highest standards of performance and accuracy. Partner with us today to experience the Scalestech difference, where innovation meets excellence.